A few months ago, I made Tahdig for Nowruz, but it didn't come out that great, so I thought I'd try again for you all today and hopefully avoid some mistakes from last time. So you're going to start by washing 3 cups of basmati rice, and you're going to wash it until the water starts running clear. And then you're going to cover the rice and then set aside for a half an hour. While you're waiting, you can make your saffron mix. So I'm using a cup of water and about a teaspoon of saffron. I know saffron can be kind of expensive, but if you can get it, I would highly recommend that you use it. It's really a game changer. So then after a half an hour, you're going to drain your rice, and then you're going to heat up a pot of water with salt. And when the water's boiling, you're going to cook your rice for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes has passed, you're going to drain your rice and then wash it in cold water so it stops the cooking process. You're going to then add in about half a cup of oil and your saffron mix to a pot, and I'm using turmeric just to brighten up the color a little and make it taste better. Then you're going to add your rice into the pot and then poke a couple of holes into the rice. That way the water will steam and escape through the holes. And then you're gonna cook your rice until the water steams out, and then you're going to place on a low heat and cook for about 45 minutes. So this came out better, slightly better than last time. The rice still stuck to the pan, but I was able to get most of it out intact. So